terus angkat no terangkat. Hey everybody, and today I'm Kevin from MC and I have this Mi 5 in front of me, which I bought for like very cheap. And let me show you how bad a Mi 5 can actually be. So let me take my laptop away from this table. Okay, so this Mi 5 I bought for like 280,000 rupiah, which is like $28, yeah, $25, something like that. And it's actually bent. The seller said that's totally straight, and I'm sending it back. So this is the Mi 5 I have. This case is like a totally fake plastic case, not even the ceramic at all. This camera hose is like broken, and let me show you how to open it. That simple. That battery, everything like that. This is a fake battery, by the way. It has 0 volts. I've already opened this case and this part and here. Looks like this charging port is something wrong, and this battery is broken. So I don't know, and that's like. So I mean, wait, let me show you this. This is the camera hole. There's nothing inside of it, guys. Wait, see, nothing in there before that lens, and that's directly the lens. Right there, see, that's the lens, and the OIS looks shot. So, what the hell has this guy done to his phone? I do not know, so I'm gonna send this back. I thought I'm gonna make a video about those test point things down this part of the board. And if I have this thing, but sadly it was not what you said, so it's me instead. I'd still have my Mi 4 over this Mi 5 because of its status. Like, who the hell would even want to change this battery with, I mean, the original battery with this battery? This will probably last like 3 months, when the original battery was broken and would probably last like 5 months more. So why the heck would people even want to change to this? And look at this. And look at this glue. This glue everywhere, cheap ass glue. See that? And I've also let me take my phone tool. Taking the SIM tray off, and this is bent. Okay, that's a SIM tray out, and let me pry it out. And it's actually bent like this. See? I focus on my fingers. See, it's actually bent. Like what kind of monster of a human would actually bend a SIM tray? So this is like a crazy hell rant. Hopefully Xiaomi can actually make a phone bend proof. Well, my Mi 4 has never bent in its life, but who knows? Like seriously, this Mi 4's so banged up. And look at this, like, oh my the Cymax 8 screw bits like broken. Look at this, doesn't even close. Like, what the heck? See, guys, the bottom closes and the top doesn't close. Like, no matter what the hell you do to it, it will not close. So yeah, and it actually came in the package. Like, it came out of the bubble wrap and just did this. Like what the hell? What kind of first impressions that? So that's my rant done. Hopefully you found this interesting and useful. Please shop on a website where you can actually refund and get refunded and get your like sellers up, because literally this is like the worst you can actually get right now of Mi 5. So, and plus this is also plastic and Chinese. It's plastic back. The screen's okay, but I don't really know if it's actually going to turn on, and the body's like shot. Look at that. And the power button's like so weak. Like this is right beside it, and you can't even hear a thing. The volume buttons are like tacky, but the power buttons not at all. See, it's actually sticking down while the volume button's actually working. So I don't know how the frick somebody actually made this phone like this. My phones are never this bad. Even this BlackBerry Bold thing still turns on. Like, let me show you. And this is from like a few years ago. See, actually turns on. And so I have this white light thing here. So to be honest, I do not know how somebody made this phone like this. So please like, subscribe if you like this. And my Mi 5's dead and officially going back.